everybody. We just had some strange bumping as we're driving down the road, and my wife noticed it and she goes, what's that bumping? And it was like a regular, as we go faster it bumps faster, as we go slower it bumps slower. And I said, well, that's got to be a tire, like a blister on a tire. And so we pulled into this gas station, Control. This is where we always buy gas too. They give you a discount and stuff, and they got a little card that you can get. Whoa, look at that. That's ugly. Woo. How does it even hold air? It still holds air. Look at that. It's all tore up. Wow. So anyway. Honey, what's that?
We hit something?
No, nothing. We just driving slow and we felt it. We just left the parking lot at SM. And that's when it began to make that bumping. So anyway, they're putting the new tire on. They're putting the little hubcap. They'll put this in the back. Really good service at these places. I just put on top because we'll go down to the tire store and get a new tire.
Okay.
And that way we don't have to dig it all out.
Oh.
Yeah. My wife is a tire expert, so she thinks. But anyway, they're putting the spare tire on. Yeah. So there we go. You always start these by hand. Don't start them like NASCAR style, where they try to start it with with the impact wrench. So anyway, we lost one of the lug nuts. So anyway, I in the company that I own, Cryoscience, before I sold it, before I came here, retired. But we had we sponsored one of the off-road racing guys in the Baja 1000, and they lost the race because somebody tried to use NASCAR style, spinning the lug nuts on without hand starting them first, and he cross-threads, did the things, and then they went down the road and they had a flat. And they couldn't get the tire off because the guy cross-threaded, did everything on there. So anyway, we're good to go. I'll find out how much it is, not too much, and we'll be back with more from my Paradise on Bantayan Island. We just put the spare on. Didn't even get my hands dirty. Yeehaw! Bye for now. We just came from getting the tire swapped out with the spare at the gas station down there, but they don't really sell tires, but this place does. So they fix flats, so you just pull up along the curb, they jack up your car, take your tire off, fix it, and you're done. So right now, what they're going to do is put on a brand new tire. What's the date on this tire? The date? Yeah, there's a date. So there's supposed to be like an expiration date on a tire, the manufacturer date. Let me get my glasses.
20.
Huh?
20.
Oh, okay, so here's the date. 7 of 20. So that's got 5 years to 2025 before it expires. So it's a fresh tire as far as tires go. So anyway, they're gonna pop this bad boy on, and I was gonna go and work on my boat, but I think they're gonna pop this on so fast that we don't need to worry about it. Okay, yeah, hon. Yeah, you can tell them that because they're just gonna put it on now. There's no need for us to wait. We'll just get it now.
Yan lang kuno pabuto na lang.
Yeah, because they're fast. Yeah, there's the master. Yeah, so now they gotta lock that on, pop the air out. We just got here like 2 months ago. That's how the side pops. I mean, we actually came here, asked about the price, and they gave us a price of $1.8, which is $36. And then we went over there and asked the price, and they're $1.9, all the way up to $3,800. So they're much more expensive. And all their brands over there are off. There is a Dunlop tire, but all the other ones were just names I hadn't heard of. And this is a name I haven't heard of. There's no leaks. We're perfect. Okay, so we're done. Thank you very much. It's a deal. Okay, so they're gonna put it in the trunk, and we're gonna be back with more from my Paradise on Bantayan Island. Don't mind the ambulance. Bye for now. There, tires, inventory, lots of tires. Bye for now.